Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how you can test repeater fields. So just a little bit of setup, I've added a tags repeater to the post, and we just look at the docs. This is in a testing repeaters section on the repeater, so it's not with the rest of the testing documentation, so that could be a little bit confusing. The reason we have to test it is because it uses UUIDs. So it's like randomly generated, so it's very hard to actually test that because it's a random string for each individual repeater item. So they give us this repeater fake, which basically allows us to fake it, and then we can use the actual input name as the individual one. So this would be the quotes and then contents. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So like I said, I've made a tags repeater. I've just made a simple repeater with just a text input of a name, and so the issue is, so if we look at this test that I've created, it can create posts with tags. So I passed in the tags, passed in the name of each tag, so you would think this would work, right? Unfortunately it doesn't, because it's looking at tags and then this UUID, which obviously it wouldn't work. So like in the docs, it gives us this. So this is the repeater field again, but it's just a static function on it, so a fake function, and then it passes you this. So this is a way to end the fake. Usually I don't actually use this, I just fake it, because for most tests there isn't a reason to end the faking of it, so it's just personal preference, I guess. But if we run this test now, it should pass. So if we run all the tests for this file now, there should be one that's failing. Yep, it creates a post. So this is because by default Filament adds a default of one item to a repeater field. So you could change this behavior and default items of 0 if you wanted, and that would make the test pass. But that's probably not what you want, because it's a nice behavior to have one there as a default. So again, you could fake it, and this won't actually work now because it's still expecting a tags array. So you could just pass an empty array like that, and now this test should pass. Just one final quick test to show you. So we haven't actually gone over like updating posts or updating models in Filament yet, but this, I just wanted to keep all the repeater stuff together in one episode. So it can fill the repeater. This is a test on the edit post test, and this will fail, saying that it's null. Again, you would need to fake this. So you would go repeater fake, and then this should work. Yes, it does. And again, the name is what I've set the input of the text input to. So if you change this to, I don't know, tag, and then you change, this would now fail. So you would have to change this to tag, and now the test should pass. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please do hit the like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. As always, I will leave a link to the GitHub repository down below with the code if you want to check it out. And that's it. I'll see you in the next episode.